Now let's take a look at how to use the flipbox of your classic add-ons plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon and choose your preferred layout here. In the left sidebar, click on the widgets options here and search for the flipbox. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side you can see flipbox hover styles. Here you can choose your preferred style. Let's choose slide up. The next option is flipbox redirect. If you want to give link to your flipbox, simply enable this option and paste your URL in the link field. The next option is layout. Here you can choose preferred items for front and back. Now let's choose for the front. Simply drag and drop the needed items to the enabled area. Also, you can change the alignment easily. Now let's choose for the back. Click these back options and drag the preferred items to the enabled area and drop the unwanted items in the disabled area. The next option is title, and here you can change the primary title and the primary title tag option for choosing title size. Let's choose for the back, and here you can change the secondary title and this option for changing secondary title tag size. The next part is icon, and here you can change the preferred icon for the front. Now let's change it in the back. And the next option is primary icon view. Here you can choose type of the icon, framed, stacked or with default. Let's choose stacked and let's choose for the back. The next option is button. Here you can change the type of the button. Let's choose success, and here you can change the button text, and if you want to add link you can paste your URL here. And the next option is alignment. Here you can choose your preferred alignment for the button. And the next option is size. You can choose the preferred size for the button. And if you want to add icon to your button, just click on these options and choose your preferred icon and click on insert. The next one is icon position. You can choose before or after here, and here you can change the icon space. The next option is button ID. Here you can enter your unique ID for this particular button. The next option is image. You can upload your preferred image here. And if you want to change your image style, you can change it here like rounded or circled. And you can change your image resolution here. The next option is content. Here you can enter your content for primary and secondary. Next, let's moving on to style area. And here you can change the height of the flipbox. The next option is flipbox padding. Here you can enter your preferred value. The next option is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style. And in the alignment, you can choose your preferred alignment. Now let's change background color for normal and overview. Let's change into green and let's change it in the back now. And if you want to enable box shadow, here you can enable it. Also you can change the box shadow style here. And you can change your box shadow position here, inset or outline. The next option is title, and here you can change the title color for front. Let's change it in the back. And if you want to set margin for the title, you can enter your preferred value here. Let's give 10 pixels for each. This is for title spacing. Here you can choose your preferred space. And the next option is typography. Here you can choose the font family and font style for the title. And the next option is icon. And here you can change colors for front and back. Now let's change color in the front. Let's change the fore color now. Let's change it in the back now. Choose the background color and now select the fore color for hover. Now let's change the size of the icon. This is for icon padding. You can adjust as your preference. If you want to rotate it, you can rotate here. And if you want to set border radius, you can enter a preferred value here. The next option is image. You can resize your image here. And if you want to change your background color for the image, you can change it here. Also, you can set the image spacing here. If you want to set inner space value for the image, you can enter your preferred value here. And also you can choose your border for the image. You can change it for front and back easily. The next option is button. Here you can change your button text color and also you can change your background color here. Click on the back option and here you can change your button color. And let's change the background color of the button. And if you want to set border type to the button, you just choose the preferred button type and you can set border radius value here. Also you can set box shadow for the button. And if you want to give inner space value for the padding, you just enter your preferred value for the button here. And if you want to give space for the button, you can simply adjust here. And the next one is typography. Here you can choose font family and font style for the button. The next one is content. Here you can change the color of the content for the front and back. And let's change the space of the content here.